So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can view page in different sites in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I have made one small dashboard. This is basically a superstore dashboard. The card is showing total sales and the line graph is showing order date wise trend of total sales. So let's see how we can change the size of this page. So click on blank space on the dashboard, go to format, go to size, and 16 is to 9 is the default size of the page. There are several options available like 4 is to 3 later. Let's select later and let's see what happens. So as you guys can see, the size of the page has changed. There is one more option known as custom. In this basically we can give our custom width and custom height to our report. So in this way we can change the size of the report. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.